Hello, my name is Sasha. I'm from Germany and I enrolled in the edx.org online course from Harvard's CS50 called Web Programming with JavaScript and Python. And one of my first tasks was to create my own webpage. And I want to guide you now through this project to tell you what I've done in the last couple of days. My web page consists of 4 HTML documents, which also use some CSS. The CSS are linked here. I created one file, style CSS, where I added my own CSS styles, and then I have here also a link to the Bootstrap content delivery network of Twitter, which provides a CSS library with a lot of useful CSS classes, which can be easily implemented in the web page to look very nice. For example, I use this also here for my navbar, and on my second page, the grid.html, I have here 3 columns which are using also this Bootstrap classes. And if I make the screen width a little bit smaller, you can see here now it's only one column, and the complete screen here in Bootstrap's grid model uses 12 units, and with this class here, col MD4, this means for medium devices which have medium device screen width or even larger, it should use for each column 4 units. And if I shrink the window to a size which is smaller than a medium device, which is from here to here, you can see the content uses the complete screen width, and it's only one column which uses all the 12 units of the grid model. On my third page, I also used the Bootstrap CSS classes for styling this table here. You can see here it has some stripes. There's also a Bootstrap class called table stripe, which can easily be implemented. On my fourth page, I added here some different types of messages: an alert message, specific message, and a success message. And I added here also a picture which is aligned here in the center. And this 3 types of message boxes, they were created also with this style CSS, but what is very important, this style CSS file, I created this with an SCSS file which uses SAS. It's a special language used for creating CSS style sheets, but you can declare there also some variables, and you can add here some inheritance which can be used here for this message boxes, for example, so I don't have to write always the same. And it's also very useful for nesting some HTML elements into each other. And if I call here my command line with this command here, says style CSS style CSS, I can see here now a message that my style CSS has been modified because of this style here. I say yes, I want to reload it, and then you can see here this message content goes in this 3 classes for my text boxes, and only here changes the background color. So with less effort I can create really good CSS. And so I think this is very useful, and very good to learn this also in this online course. Yeah, and I think this is my webpage, and I hope you had fun by watching my video, and I will make another one, I guess, for my next project, so I keep you up to date what's going on in the online course, and I really can recommend it. And so thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.